morning, and it's day 8 of our Malaysian trip.
It's very early, it's just barely daylight.
It's 7 o'clock. We got up early and we're on our way to Penang today. We're going to spend one night in Georgetown. So we're just going to hop on our coach, which we'll leave in about, I don't know, 40 minutes. So it's going to have a quick 15-minute walk to the bus station. Time is about 6 o'clock in the evening, and we're just walking into the old part of Georgetown now. So lots of interesting old buildings. It was just too hot before to go out, so we waited until the evening to have a look at Georgetown. What are they queuing for?
They're queuing for the Malacca specialty, which is a jelly dessert with coconut ice cream and a fruit. The chendol is from Malacca. It's a special dessert.
They're queuing for it?
Yeah, because
daylight was running out and we headed to the foreshore to get some drone footage before it became dark. We were getting hungry and decided to head back to Georgetown and try to find something to eat. We found this nice little Chinese restaurant and it was really good. Georgetown had a strange feeling. All the locals seemed to clear out after 7 PM and it became a lot more quieter. There just seemed to be a few tourists hanging around. I don't know if we went to the wrong place or we only stayed there for one day, but maybe if you go to Georgetown, maybe spend a couple of nights and have a good explore around.